Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get paid to click on websites. Simply grab your phone or your computer and click on some websites and earn free PayPal money. This is absolutely free, you don't want to spend dollar for this method. First step is go to the website audiclicks.net. There are so many ways to make money on this website. Guys, next step is create an account on this website. Click register, then you are coming to this page. Simply fill the registration form. Enter your full name, email address, password, and other some stuff. Next step is fill the CAPTCHA. After that, click on register button. After sign up to this website, go back to home page of this website. Welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below and click on earn money. As you can see here, a lot ways to make money on this website. You can make money from referring others, completing high-paying surveys, completing offers, visiting websites, and many more ways. As you can see here, they provide effortless income. Earn from home. Lots of different ways to earn. Earn up to 4 cents per click. Guaranteed ads, surveys daily. Instant payments. Now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.